Hello friends, today we will discuss about time management. Many of us face the problem of time. We always used to complain that we don't have time to have fun activities, we don't have enough time to complete our job, we don't have enough time to play with our children, we don't have time to pass with family. So all sorts of complaint we used to make. So what is exactly the time management? The time management is the process of planning and controlling how much time to spend on a specific task or activity. And what exactly are the benefits of time management? Main benefits of time management are: number one is stress relief. If we properly manage our time and making a task schedule to reduce our anxiety, and we make a to-do list for the day or for a week, then what exactly happens, we can manage our time very effectively and we will feel less stressed in that conditions, and we will be less worrying about the things to be done, and particularly time limit. What other benefits? Number second benefit is we'll get more time to complete the task. So good time management gives us extra time to spend in our daily life, and if we manage our time effectively, so we enjoy having more time to spend on our hobbies or other personal matters. Then if we manage time effectively, then we have more opportunities. If we are managing our time in and completing the task in less time, then we will have more opportunity for other activities, and then we can prioritize and schedule work extremely whatever is desirable. Then next one is ability. We have the ability to realize goals. So if we practice good time management, and that case we will have sufficient time and we can better achieve our goals and objectives. So even in the same times we will feel that we have more time available with us. So with effective time management we can get the above benefits. So what are the tips for the time management? Number one is set goals correctly. Number two, prioritize wisely. Number three, set a time limit for each and every task. Number four, take breaks between whatever tasks we are doing. Number five, organize. Whatever activities we are doing, we have to organize ourselves in doing that activity. And number six is remove non-essential tasks. So whatever tasks are non-essential, we should remove from our task. And number seven is plan ahead. So if we will plan our activities with these tips, then we can definitely manage our time well. And that case, we will get all the benefits and we will get more time for ourselves, for our family, to have fun activities, to complete our hobbies, and we will feel less stressed and we can get more success. Thank you.